behalf of our Virology and Germplasm Health Unit once again, sir, I will use this honor to invite you, sir, to help us to cut this ribbon and where we look around into all the laboratories, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You can please follow me.
Okay.
And this is the export laboratory for Germplasm Health Unit. This is where we deal with all exported materials. Thank you, sir.
Well, congratulations.
Wow.
Thank you to the whole team. I just want to recall when I came back to IITA in 2012, the second day I was here, there were some VIP visitors who went around. I had never met Dr. Lava Kumar. I didn't know who he was. And we came in here, and there were about 5 of the virology unit staff that spoke on different things. I actually thought each one of them was a postdoc. How did this guy get so many postdocs? And the truth is, it's like every staff in this unit, they are professionals. It's really amazing. And I want to thank all of you so much because you support our P4D work so well, and the best example is C-Track. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. Sanginga kept this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now we can proceed to Virology main lab unit. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And now, before we enter, I would like to give you the lab coats. Sir.
Well, this one, large.
We have come to show you some other innovations we have come about to inaugurate our laboratories. Please come into the lab. Dr. Sanginga, Ryan, perform a simple experiment for a rapid diagnostics to confirm that within 5 to 7 minutes you can detect viruses, detect infecting any of the high-yield money crops. Please, you are welcome to the laboratory.